In this video, I will show you how to create a shared folder in Google Drive. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my Google Drive. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Google Drive. And once you're on your Google Drive, what you want to do is come over to the left-hand side and click the new button over here. Then what you need to do is click onto new folder to create your new folder and just call this whatever you want. So I'm just going to call this one test and then click create. So as you can see, it's going to directly take us to the folder. You can see it's highlighted here. Now, to make this folder shareable, all you need to do is right-click onto the folder itself. And on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option for share. So if you actually hover over this and you're going to see an option to share, what you want to do is give that a click. And what's going to happen is a window is going to pop up like this. Now, in here, as you can see, if you come down to the bottom, you've got a button to copy link. So what you can do is, of course, copy the link for this folder and share that with whoever you want. Now, before you do this, you do need to set your permissions. So you can see at the moment by default is set to restricted, which means that only people with access can open with the link. If you want to make this publicly viewable, just click onto this drop down box and change it to anyone with the link. And in addition, you can change the further permissions. As you can see, we've currently got this set to viewer, which means that people that see this folder can only view the files and folders, but you've also got the option for commenter and editor. So commenter means that people can basically view the file or folder and they can actually make comments. Editor, of course, gives them full editing permissions, which means they can organize, add and edit files. So what you want to do is choose your permissions, settle this up, and once you're ready, just click the copy link button. And what you can then do is add people and basically share that with whoever you want. So that is how to create a shared folder in Google Drive. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.